All right, here we are. I have the OnePlus 6T here, the T-Mobile version, and it does have the stock screen glass or screen protector installed on it, and it's not a bad screen protector, and it's not the best. So I went ahead and I ordered these BroTect Air Glass screen glasses for them. And I've used BroTect in the past, and I actually kind of really like them. I'm going to show you how it looks before I have it installed. My go-to screen glass would be the Whitestone Dome glass, but unfortunately, as far as I know, they don't make one for any of the OnePlus devices. So the BroTech is my next option. So here it is, and I know it's really hard to see it on camera. It's very, very thin. It's very flexible. They say that it's glass. Like I said, I've used them in the past, and they work just fine. And on camera, I know it's going to be really hard to see this, but it is slightly narrower than what the stock screen glass is. So it's not going to give you the edge-to-edge protection. So if you're looking for an edge-to-edge protection screen glass, then this would not be the one that you're looking for. You might be able to see it a little bit better here. It's not quite all the way to the edge. It's slightly narrower than the stock screen protector that's on there. And the only reason why I'm taking this stock screen protector off is it's hard to see on the camera, but it's starting to come up on the edge here, and I've been pushing it down to try and get it to stick, and it's just not sticking. So it's time to get rid of it. So I've messed around with just holding the glass over top to see if the fingerprint scanner works, because I know a lot of people question whether it does or doesn't, and it does. I messed around with it quite a bit before I tried. I'm sorry, the face unlock's picking it up before anything else. But it works, and there's a double screen. There's two pieces of glass on there, so it's going to work a little bit slower. So I know there was some question that people had about whether or not this stock screen protector was designed to work with the fingerprint scanner versus one that's from a third party. So if you're waiting for the OnePlus screen glass to come out, that's probably going to be your best bet because it'll probably give you the most coverage. But because this is peeling up, I'm just going to take it out. So I'll have a link in the description for the BroTech Air Glass. This came in a 3-pack, and I think it was like 20 bucks or less. It was under 20 bucks, and it's shipped straight from Germany. And I got it in 5 days, roughly. Yeah, so it was $12 for all 3 of these screen glasses. So I'll put the link in the description below, and you guys can check that out if you like. So we're going to go ahead and get this installed. Now, I'm not going to do a step-by-step on how to do it. We're just going to speed through this so you guys can see it, because you've all installed screen glasses, so you know how that's done. Okay, I'm just going to stop the video fast forwarding for just a second. The screen glass is off, or the screen protector is off. Here's the I think it's a PET film or PT film that comes stock on the device. And I'm trying to hold it up to the camera just for a sense of the difference in size. And it's maybe, guys, it's really hard to see that. It's maybe not even a millimeter longer. I mean, it's very, very slight. And now that the screen protector is off, and I don't have my face near it, you can see that the sensor still works just fine without it on there. And this is the T-Mobile variant, so it hasn't gotten any of the updates. So the fingerprint scanner is slightly slower than the international version. But without it on there, it's definitely working a lot better. So I'm going to say that with a different glass on there, it might help if you had the T-Mobile version. I mean, I'm standing off to the side. My face is nowhere near for the face unlock. And it's certainly a lot faster now. So we're going to go ahead with the process of installing the new glass and go from there. Okay. I forgot to hit the record button while I was installing the screen glass, but again, you guys know how to put screen glass on. It's not complicated. So it's on. Like I said, it's slightly narrower than the screen glass, than the stock screen protector. You can see, maybe you can see it on the camera. I don't know. There's a slight little bit of edge that's not covered. So for some people, that's going to be bothersome. For now, it's going to be fine. I just wanted to get the stock screen cover off because it was starting to peel off anyway, which is why I put this on. I'll see what happens when OnePlus puts out their screen glass, if it's any better coverage. But it's on. It's case friendly. It goes top to bottom. It's pretty nice coverage. It goes all the way down past the chin and all the way up to the top. On the sides, it's just, I mean, I can kind of get a little bit of my fingernail on the side there. You can kind of maybe see it on the camera. I don't know. But the fingerprint sensor still works. Let me step off to the side. It still works. And again, I think it works slightly better without the stock glass on, or without the stock screen protector on. So it definitely works without the stock screen protector. I know there's been some people on some of the forums saying that it's designed to work with this finger scanner and you can't change it. Well, that's really not true at all. And actually, the screen looks better now with the new glass on it than with the stock screen protector on. The colors are a little bit more vibrant in my opinion. So works just fine. Again, if it's not something that you like because it doesn't go all the way over to the edge, then this isn't the screen glass for you. If you don't mind having that little bit of an edge on the sides here, and I lined it up as best I could. And again, it comes with 3, so if you mess up, it's not that big of a deal. Just make sure you use something to actually apply the glass to when you're putting it down. So that's pretty much it. Again, I'm going to leave a link in the description for the glass itself. If you guys like it, pick it up. If you don't mind having that slight little bit of edge uncovered, then this is going to be the glass for you. If you're on the T-Mobile version and you wanted to get a better sensor on your fingerprint, then maybe you want to think about getting a different screen glass because, like I said, the stock one, in my opinion, it was just a little bit too slow reading that sensor, and maybe it's just because of what it was made out of. It was more of a thin plastic than anything. So of course it's not doing it now, but you saw a little bit just a few minutes ago. It was working rather well, and it is pretty quick. It's still not as quick as a physical fingerprint scanner, but you guys get the point. So there it is, the BroTect, the Air Glass screen protector for the OnePlus 6T. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.